love, yo. I'm done now.
YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? Back with another video. Today, we headed to the car wash right now. Bro, New York did my car bad, bro. We finna go wash the car right now and shit. But before we start this video off, man, I wanna say thank y'all for 800 subs. I was at like 760 yesterday, bro, and this morning I woke up to 8. I woke up to 8 something this morning, bro. So that means y'all been going crazy when I was sleeping, bro. Damn. Y'all don't know how geeked I was looking at that shit, man. I see a lot of cars acting crazy right now, bro. And if y'all boys are new to the channel, drop a like, comment, and subscribe, man. Yo, is that a cop? Fuck they doing out here, bro? This motherfucker, boy, that lip is expensive, brother. Give y'all boys a little rev. Damn. Yeah, man. As y'all can see, we outside right now. I'm about to wash this shit right now. Look how dirty this thing is, bro. Man. New York really did me bad, bro. Go ahead and wash this shit down right now, bro. I'm about to just. I'm not using that brush because I ain't trying to fuck my car up. Let me show y'all boys the fit real quick. Big HMDD. Yeah, I made these shorts myself, bro. This was some baggy pants before. Big clocks, smartphone. Feel me? Nothing too crazy. For coming to the car wash, bro. But I'm about to go ahead and wash this shit off. Just gave it a quick little wash because I wasn't using that brush. I wasn't putting that shit on my paint, bro. But I'm about to wipe this shit down right now. You feel me? Say what's up to the vlog, boy.
Yeah, I mean, in a reap out here shooting, we're gonna pull up on you real quick.
Where you trying to eat at, nigga?
want some Chinese food, bro?
You want some dog and cats and shit?
You already know.
Nah. Even though I don't want to wear a hat sometimes, I gotta wear this shit. Cause I put this on so I can put the camera on top of my head, bro. You know what I'm saying? Cause if I put it on without a hat, that shit feel mad uncomfortable, man. If I had an F80, I'd just slide it out this motherfucker, I swear to God. Listen to them downshifts. Little Tessie. You can't do that. Damn, I had to hold that bitch, boy. Y'all see how Sport Plus be acting up in here, bro? We about to go to Panda Express right now. Grab some food and edit some videos and shit. Downshift. How y'all boys feeling today, man? Whatever you doing when you watching this video, let me know what y'all doing. If you at work watching this, whatever you doing, bro, let me know what you're doing when you watching this shit. Listen to this motherfucker, bro. Yo, what the hell? Y'all can see these niggas? Yo, I know everybody in traffic pissed right now, bro. Yo, they in the middle of traffic doing that shit. You tell me there's cops right here. Dirt bike. Look at them dirt bike niggas. I want to see what these niggas about to do. They ain't finna do nothing? Wow. What, yo? Bro, this hat itching the fuck out of my head, man. What is that? I thought that was a fucking Hellcat. Oh my God. Is this our G80? That's what I want right there, bro.
You here soon? Don't worry, you got it. Is that good for you?
Yeah.
Nice though, man.
Oh my. One day, nigga, I'ma have that bitch.